Welcome to today's video about turmeric water at night benefits. What if I told you there was a simple drink you could make tonight that could change your life? What if I told you this drink has been used for centuries to treat ailments and promote health? What if I told you this drink is made with just two simple ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen? This is turmeric water, and today we're going to explore 10 incredible benefits of drinking it before bed. But that's not all. We're also going to show you how to make the perfect cup of turmeric water and share some tips and tricks for maximizing its benefits. So, if you're ready to discover the power of turmeric water, grab a cup and join us for this engaging journey. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Number 1. Boosts immunity. Turmeric is packed with compounds that work together to enhance your immune system. Curcumin, the active ingredient, has been shown to improve the body's ability to fight off infections. Studies indicate that curcumin can stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for defending the body against pathogens. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can help bolster your immune system and keep you healthier overall. Number 2. Reduces inflammation. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and chronic pain. Research has demonstrated that curcumin inhibits the molecules responsible for inflammation, providing relief from joint pain and stiffness. Drinking turmeric water at night can help manage inflammation and improve your overall well-being. Number 3. Aids digestion. Turmeric water can significantly improve digestion by stimulating the production of bile, which helps break down fats. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the digestive system, promoting better digestion and alleviating symptoms like bloating and gas. Studies have shown that compounds in turmeric, such as turmerone, can increase the production of digestive enzymes, further aiding the digestive process. Number 4. Improves skin health. Turmeric water at night can be a secret potion for glowing skin. The compounds in turmeric, including curcumin, promote healthy skin by increasing collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. Turmeric also has antibacterial properties that help fight acne and other skin infections. Drinking turmeric water can help you achieve a radiant complexion and youthful appearance. Number 5. Supports liver function. Turmeric has been shown to support liver health through its detoxifying effects. Curcumin and other compounds in turmeric help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, promoting the regeneration of liver cells. Additionally, turmeric water at night supports bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from the body. Regular consumption can improve liver function and overall detoxification processes. Number 6. Enhances brain function. Recent studies have highlighted the potential of turmeric in enhancing brain function. Curcumin has been found to improve cognitive function and memory while reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It works by reducing inflammation in the brain and increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new brain cells. Drinking turmeric water can help boost your brain power and maintain cognitive health. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar. Turmeric is known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Curcumin increases insulin sensitivity and reduces insulin resistance, helping manage blood sugar levels effectively. Research has shown that curcumin supplementation can improve fasting blood glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in patients with type 2 diabetes. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can be a simple and effective way to support blood sugar regulation. Number 8. Promotes weight loss. Turmeric water at night can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. Studies have found that compounds in turmeric, such as turmeron, can improve lipid metabolism and help the body burn fat more efficiently. Additionally, turmeric increases bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and promoting better digestion. Drinking turmeric water can support your weight loss efforts and help you achieve your fitness goals. Number 9. Improve sleep quality. Turmeric water can improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety. Curcumin has been shown to promote the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. This natural remedy works as a mild antidepressant and helps improve sleep patterns, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can help you relax and enjoy better sleep. Number 10. Alleviates joint pain. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can significantly alleviate joint pain. Curcumin, along with other compounds like turmerones and gingerols, inhibits the production of inflammatory chemicals that cause joint pain and stiffness. Studies have shown that a combination of curcumin and essential turmeric oils can provide better pain relief and improve joint function. Drinking turmeric water at night can help ease joint pain and enhance mobility. How to prepare turmeric water. Preparing turmeric water is simple and can be done using two methods. Method 1. Turmeric powder and water. For this method, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 cups of water. First, bring the 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir it well. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Finally, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove any lumps. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. Method 2. Fresh turmeric root and water. For this method, you'll need 1 fresh turmeric root, about 2 inches long, 2 cups of water. Start by rinsing the turmeric root under cold water to clean it. Then, grate the turmeric root using a fine grater or chop it into small pieces. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan, then add the grated or chopped turmeric to the boiling water and stir well. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove any lumps. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. Feel free to add a bit of honey, lemon, or ginger to your turmeric water for extra flavor and health benefits. Just be sure to stir well before drinking. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you're taking any medications or have a medical condition. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the incredible benefits of turmeric water at night, we hope you feel inspired to give this powerful drink a try. From reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin to boosting brain function and aiding in weight loss, the potential benefits of turmeric water are numerous and impressive. Remember, turmeric water is not a miracle cure-all and should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment or advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed learning about turmeric water and found this video informative and engaging. Your feedback motivates us to create more content that can make a difference in your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.